In a purchase agreement, the subject to sale contingency is an important part of negotiation. This point only comes into play if the buyer of a property has a house to sell first. By checking the box marked subject to sale on a purchase agreement, a buyer is saying that they want the home but need the proceeds from the sale of their current home in order to pay for the down payment of this next one. These offers are tricky. If a seller accepts an offer that is subject to sale, they would still be able to market their property for sale and entertain other offers. Should the seller eventually receive a second offer, the buyers with the first offer on the table would still have first dibs, even if the second offer was better. However, the first buyers would then only have 24 hours to either A, sell their house, or B, remove the contingency. For obvious reasons, this can be a tricky situation for a buyer. If you're confident that your home will sell very quickly, making an offer that's subject to sale isn't so scary. But from a seller's perspective, an offer that is subject to sale is far less attractive than an offer without that contingency. There are a handful of ways to avoid this contingency and navigate around it, but those go beyond the scope of this video, and we'll touch on those later. This has been Real Estate in a Minute. Thanks for watching.